Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country farmhouse style home decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some simple and effective tips for decorating in country farmhouse style. Mix old and new. Blend modern furniture with vintage or rustic pictures. Keep the colors soft and neutral. Use whites, creams, light browns and greys. These colors make the space feel open, bright and cozy. Add natural textures. Farmhouse style loves natural materials. Wood, jute, linen, cotton, woven baskets. Use warm lighting. Choose warm yellow bulbs instead of white ones. Add lantern lamps, rustic candeliers, or candle-style lighting for a cozy glow. Bring in soft fabrics. Use gingham or checkered pillows, floral curtains, quilts, knitted drawers. Add farmhouse-inspired decor. Include a few rustic touches: wooden trays, mason chairs, metal buckets, ceramic pitchers, old-style clocks. Keep the space airy. Farmhouse style is bright and open. Use light curtains. Keep windows clear and avoid overcrowding the furniture. Add greenery. Put small plants, eucalyptus, wildflowers or lavender in simple vases or jars. Greenery adds life and freshness. Use practical storage. Farmhouse decor loves useful items like baskets, crates, wooden shelves. Choose handmade or simple art. Hang art with frame signs, botanical prints, inspirational wooden signs, vintage frames. Use ladder decor. A simple wooden ladder can be used for hanging blankets, displaying towels, adding rustic vertical interest. Add cozy textures. Think of farmhouse comfort. Fox fur throws, chunky knit blankets, textured cushions. Incorporate barn-style details. Add barn-inspired elements like sliding barn doors, barn-style handles, rustic wooden panels. Display dishes openly. Open shelving with white ceramic plates, vintage bowls, mason jar glasses. Helps create a classic farmhouse kitchen look. Use metal accents. Mix in small metal items, galvanized buckets, metal lanterns, iron candle holders, vintage metal signs. Vintage baskets as decor. Hang them on walls or use them for storage. Wicker and tartan baskets add warmth and charm. Add a large farmhouse clock. Oversized clocks with Roman numerals or distressed frames are perfect for living rooms, dining areas. Add simple floral arrangements. Farmhouse flowers include sunflowers, lavender, baby's breath, daisies, wildflowers. Keep furniture simple and functional. Choose pieces that look practical and comfortable. Soft sofas, wooden dining tables, open shelves. Add rustic wall art. Hang pages made of wood, jute, metal, distressed frames. Use grain check or burlap fabrics. Add pillows, table runners, or storage bags made from burlap, grain check fabric. Frame your windows with simple wood. Even thin wooden frame or reclaimed wood frames around windows add a beautiful rustic character. Try candle groupings. Cluster candles in lanterns, metal trays, wooden risers. Add homemade or DIY decor. Handmade items make spaces feel personal. Crochet table mats, knitted drawers, DIY wooden signs, handmade baskets. Use clay, terracotta, or earthen pots. Natural pottery pieces match perfectly with farmhouse style. Use them for plants or as decorative table accents. Add mirrors with rustic frames. Distressed wood or metal framed mirrors help make rooms brighter. Add vintage style, create visual space. Decorate with wooden trays. Place trays on coffee tables, dining tables, kitchen counters. Add a touch of plaid. Plaid throw blankets or cushions instantly bring a warm country feel, especially in bedroom, living room, reading corner. Mix natural and white decor. Farmhouse style looks best when you mix natural materials, jute, wood, terracotta, with clean white items like ceramics, linens, candles. Use vintage flower prints, hang artwork or add cushions with sunflowers, wildflowers, botanical sketches. Choose simple, chunky furniture. Farmhouse style loves solid wood tables, thick-legged chairs, sturdy benches. Add handcrafted textiles, dry crochet toys, lace runners, hand-woven mats, embroidered cushions. Include weathered wood accents. Add distressed or reclaimed wood pages like rustic shelves, a weathered side table. Set up a farmhouse style bathroom. Use metal buckets for storage, wooden stool, white towels, vintage mirrors, fresh flowers. Hang oven baskets on walls. Create wall art using wicker or rattan baskets. It adds texture and looks beautifully rustic. Decorate with small antique items. Add teeny vintage pages, old keys, vintage books, bronze candlesticks, old chairs, mini lanterns. Create a cozy corner. Use a wooden chair, a plate drawer, a small rug, a plant. Use crocks and stoneware. Place vintage crock pots or stoneware jars on kitchen counters, dining tables, entryway consoles. Add wall sconces with a rustic look. Use metal or wooden wall sconces for warm ambient lighting. Perfect for hallways or beside a mirror. Style with old books. Use old, owned books to decorate shelves or coffee tables. Stack them and top with candles, small plants, a wooden bed garland. Wooden bed garlands. Drape them over trays, vases, books, hooks. They add subtle farmhouse charm. Choose earthy scents. Use candles or diffusers with scents like vanilla, cinnamon, lavender, pine, fresh cotton. These make the farmhouse atmosphere even cozier. Thanks for watching the video.